Right there?
Yeah, that's what one of the guys was telling me.
Okay.
He said that he's seen the guy legitimately shoot the other person.
Okay.
And it's a female.
Okay, the person shot is a female?
Yes.
Alright, and the person doing the shooting, black male, all white?
Back over here.
Back over here?
He's a black male.
You saw him?
Pants. Yes.
Where did you see him? Back there?
Back here in the
Okay.
corner.
809. Seen the back corner of Motel 6. I'm checking the area on foot. Say that again?
He's white hat. Green hat. Green jacket, white pants.
Green hat, green jacket, white pants?
Yes.
Black male?
Dreads.
Alright. Suspect description, black male, green hat, green jacket, white pants. Hey! Green hat, green jacket, white pants?
What?
Green hat, green jacket, white pants.
Yes.
Hey, get on the ground! Austin police on the ground! Out on 1 by 131. Get on the ground now! Austin police, get on the ground! Get on the ground! I said get on the ground! I will shoot you! Get on the ground now! Shots fired. Here, come out this way, this way, this way.
Where's he at?
He's between the trucks.
Which one?
The black Toyota and the gold Toyota.
Alright, which side is the Toyota?
He's like perfectly in the middle. Stop moving!
Moving!
I'm not moving.
Stop moving!
I'm not moving. He shot me.
32 in the waistband.
He shot me.
32 is in the waistband. Hey! Stop reaching!
Moving now!
Stop reaching!
You got a shield? No, I got a shield. I got one. Okay. Go ahead. Stop moving!
I'm not moving.
Do not reach for anything!
Hey, 32 is in the waistband, just on the right. You can see it. Stop moving! No injuries.
No injuries to officers.
809, we still need somebody to respond to the original shooting victim as well. They're at the mobile on the north side of the intersection.
I want to do this. In a tight spot, so.
Can we have him crawl to us?
I could try, yeah. Hey, give him a call.
Guys, get out of there.
Get back! Get back!
Hey! Start crawling towards us! Hands above your head. Start crawling towards us! Keep
Crawl on
your
your back, hands above your head.
hands above your head and slowly start crawling towards us. One voice, one voice.
Who's giving commands?
Hey! Crawl towards us, crawl towards us. Crawl towards us. Keep your hands on top of your head and just crawl towards us. He's not gonna hurt it.
I can't move. I'm hurt.
Okay. Alright. Oh, we've got no reason to rush. We're good. If he's got a gun in his place.
Are you in medical? Okay.
If you want us to help you out, you're gonna have to crawl towards us.
No, we're not hurt.
Okay, so you're gonna wait. You're gonna have to follow every command we give you, or we cannot guarantee you won't get hurt.
I can't move my leg. It hurts.
Watch out. There's the gun right there.
We have EMS en route. We need you to slowly crawl towards us, but keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Don't grab anything. Use your legs and slowly crawl. Yes, keep going. Try to crawl back towards us and keep your hands up. You can push on the trucks if you keep your hands up. Keep crawling back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep your hands up.
Get back! Get back!
Get back!
Get back!
Keep your hands up.
Keep going, keep going.
crawling. I need you to clear those trucks. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep your hands up. Keep crawling. Keep going. Keep crawling and keep your hands up. Get past those trucks. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep your hands up. Do not grab anything.
Not grabbing nothing.
Keep your hands up. Crawl. 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 A little bit more. Keep going. Keep your hands up. 2 more feet. Keep going. Okay.
It was in his waistband.
Where? What side of it? Right side?
Right side.
Keep your hands up.
Have him put his hands on his face.
Put your hands on your face right now. Put your hands on your face. Do not move them.
You and I will approach from the right.
Do not move your hands. Lay right there.
I'm 1, you're 2, and then you guys fall behind the
Yep.
hands quickly. Okay?
Keep your hands on your face.
On me, ready? Yep.
Keep your hands on your face. Keep your
not
hands
move.
on your face.
Keep your hands in your face.
Keep your hands on your face.
All right, watch it. You good? I'm good. Good.
Please don't handle me. Please don't handle me.
Give me your hand. Give me your
Please
left
don't
hand.
handle me.
Hands, hands.